Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Beauties of B. Today I will be sharing some benefits of castor oil. The reason we use castor oil because it is rich in vitamin E, minerals and other protein that helps us improve our skin quality and hair. You can use castor oil to get rid of harsh tan because it's summers now, you get tan very easily and castor oil can easily help you get rid of that. It also provides moisture into our skin. If you have really dry skin, you can just use a couple of drops of castor oil and sleep applying that on your skin will be really moisturized and nourished the next morning. It also promotes growth of eyelashes and eyebrows. If you have really thin eyelashes or you want thick eyebrows, then castor oil is the only solution. Trust me, it is the only ingredient that can help you get that result really fast. You can use castor oil as a lip balm as well. Apply a couple of drops of castor oil onto your lips and sleep. You will have amazing soft lips in the morning. Did you know that castor oil is also an anti-aging ingredient? If you have or if you're aging or you want to stop the process of aging really fast, what you need to do is take a couple of drops of castor oil and apply it under your eyes and on the sides of your lips, because these are the places we start wrinkling very fast. It also strengthens our nails and provides moisturization to our hands, so you can take a very good massage applying castor oil. And I know you all have heard that it promotes hair growth, but did you know castor oil also helps us get rid of our dandruff or any kind of bacterial infection that is there on our scalp? So regular usage of castor oil helps us get rid of dandruff very easily, and it also provides ample amount of nourishment to the ends of our hair. So make sure you take a good head massage using castor oil. With that, I come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and lastly I want to say that wow, castor oil is really amazing, because other than all this benefit that it provides, it is also chemical free, paraben free and SLS free. That is the best thing about this product. If you like this video, don't forget to like the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay tuned, stay happy and keep smiling. Love you all. Bye bye.